Imagine a future where robots can feel like humans, where prosthetics can sense touch, just like your skin, and where wearable tech is seamlessly integrated within our bodies. Well, that future is closer than you think. Hi all, welcome to a new episode of Tuesday Tech Bytes by EmbeddedBrew, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech innovations. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. Today we are exploring an exciting innovation from the renowned Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, or KAIST. Researchers at this college have developed a tactile sensor that mimics the properties of human skin, opening up new possibilities for robotics, prosthetics, and wearable devices. So let's break down what makes this sensor so special. But first, let's understand what is a tactile sensor. It is a device that measures information arising from physical interaction with its environment. Think of it as giving robots and devices the ability to feel. Traditional sensors often lack the flexibility and sensitivity of human skin, but this new development aims to bridge that gap. The team at KAIST has engineered a sensor that is not only flexible but also incredibly sensitive to pressure and texture, much like human skin. This sensor is composed of multiple layers, including a stretchable substrate and a conductive layer. The result? A sensor that can conform to various shapes and surfaces, providing accurate tactile feedback. So how does it work? The sensor operates through a combination of microstructures and conductive materials that can change resistance when pressure is applied. This change is then translated into data that can be processed by electronic systems. The researchers used a unique fabrication process that involves layering materials to achieve the desired flexibility and sensitivity. Now let's talk about the exciting part, the applications. This sensor has the potential to transform numerous fields. It could enable more precise and delicate handling of objects, making robots more adaptable in various environments. For prosthetics, it means creating limbs that can provide users with a sense of touch. In the world of wearable tech, this sensor could lead to advanced health monitors that can detect subtle changes in pressure and motion. The development of this skin-like tactile sensor is a significant milestone in the world of technology. It showcases the incredible progress we are making towards creating more human-like and responsive machines. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, innovations like this brings us one step closer to a future where technology seamlessly integrated with our daily lives. Well, if you are watching till now, then you have liked this episode. Then don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to read the full blog with reference, then do check out for the link in the description for our website, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.